Hey everyone, it's Miss SARRETT here to show you how to classify angles. So now that we know how to measure them, we just have to determine what type they are. A lot of this is going to be a review for you, so this should be pretty easy. Make sure you have your jams out, you need to take notes, and complete a reflection. Here's your TEKS objective. Make sure to write this at the top of your notes. As soon as you have done that, go ahead and pause this and fill out your learning goal and what you already know about classifying angles. First, let's talk about acute angles. Acute angles measure less than 90 degrees. You can remember this because you can think of it as a cute little angle. So whenever you talk to little puppies or little babies, you talk in a cute little voice. So think about an acute angle as being little and cute. Next we have right angles, and these measure 90 degrees. Usually whenever you see a right angle, there's a little square at the vertex. This just indicates that it is for sure a right angle. You're usually going to see these on rectangles and squares, and then you will see them in right triangles. Another thing that is special about a right angle is that its two rays are perpendicular to one another. So I have a joke for you. Why did the obtuse angle go to the beach? Because it was hotter than 90 degrees. But seriously, an obtuse angle is an angle that measures more than 90 degrees. Next we have straight angles. These measure exactly 180 degrees, and it sounds just like its name, it's just straight. So as you can see, a straight angle can be horizontal, it can be vertical, it's just a straight line. And because it's an angle, it still has a vertex, and it still has two rays. Also, your protractor goes all the way up to 180 degrees. And as you can tell here, if you actually measure a straight line, it measures 180 degrees. Last, we have a circle. A circle actually measures 360 degrees. So the way they got this is, let's say this is our angle. And if you rotate it all the way around, it equals 360 degrees. Now remember in the last video I said that 1 degree is equal to 1/360th of a circle. That's where this comes from. 360 degrees in a circle, one of those is 1 out of 360. Have you ever noticed that your protractor is actually half a circle or a semicircle? Well, it is, and as you know, it measures 180 degrees. So did you also know that 180 is half of 360? Well, it is. So your protractor is half of a circle, 180 is half of 360, so we actually have protractors that are full circles. You won't have to use these in the 6th grade, but you may use them in the future, and they do help you measure angles within a circle. That's all we have. Make sure that you complete your reflection on the left side of your notebook, and I will see you all on Tuesday. Have a good weekend.